On a hill outside the city stands an old chapel. It's been sealed for decades. No houses, no roads, just wind, grass, and a light. A light that sometimes flickers inside at night. A group of teens decide to camp nearby, just for laughs. But laughter quickly turns into whispers. Did you hear that? Shadows among the trees, footsteps. Someone's coming. But when they turn around, no one's there. One of them suggests going inside just to check for ghosts. They step in, and everything stills. Dust, broken pews, but on the walls, warnings: do not open, never enter after dark, and in some places, footprints you on the ceiling. One of the boys suddenly speaks. Do you hear them breathing? The others turn, his eyes a pitch black. He smiles. The body fits, I think I'll keep it. They run, but the exit is gone. Only whispers in the dark.